Hi, this is Mucker671 again, doing a short video this time. Two reasons for it. One is just to say thank you very much for all the subscribers I've been getting lately through my fishing videos mainly. I do a lot of free fishing, free parking, good access on the rivers. I've been doing a lot on the Thames. I've got lots more ideas and places to visit as well coming up. The next video hopefully should be the River Itchen, a free stretch there with great parking, good fishing, bit hard sometimes, but yeah, thank you so much again for the subscribers, the great messages I've been receiving, and also I've been enjoying sort of trying to answer your questions to the best of my knowledge. Now, for the people who haven't seen my channel before, I'd just like to quickly explain what it's about. Like I said just now, free fishing, free parking, great access most of the time, especially for blue badge holders or people who just have problems getting around a bit. So I go into great detail. I use maps, I use drone footage from YouTube. I'll give a shout out now to Sky Survey UK. This is the type of footage I have been using when relevant. I also tend to sort of put a lot of detail into the river as well. So there's certain spots on the river maybe that are snaggy, there's deep holes, there's special little spots that I know of and have fished. Especially for the barbel and the chub, showing you places like a sandbar there. There's also snags in front there as an example. I also show, when available, facilities to boat launch. Some of my videos will have these type of slipways, good slipways, and some of them will be just like a bank that you could launch a small tender to, you know, an inflatable, something like a 2.4 metre or a 3 metre inflatable type of boat. I like to give as much info as I can as well about the parking, the ferries if there are ferries available, even the pubs, that type of thing, that are very close. Some of them have got camping and stuff, you know. This is a bit of footage from the River Wye, which is one of my favourite rivers, and this is one of my favourite places, which I'll be doing a much better video of, hopefully, in the near future. Thanks again to everybody who's participated and subscribed and hit the likes. That's one of the most important things, I think, for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you fairly shortly, hopefully with the River Itchen.